course, Learn How to Crochet Amigurumi for Beginners, is a very comprehensive course where we go through every single step that you need to know to crochet amigurumi. So this includes basic stitches, more advanced stitches, color changing, crocheting in the rounds, how to add details like eyes and face. And it is a great comprehensive course so that you can be confident in your amigurumi projects, as well as reading crochet patterns and being able to follow those and create any crochet creation that you would like. So I really recommend this course for beginners. If you have never picked up a crochet hook before, you're in the right place. If you would like a refresher, or you know how to crochet, just don't know how to crochet amigurumi, you're also in the right place. So join me in this course as you learn from my mistakes so you don't have to make them on your own, where you can learn the correct way to crochet, which side is correct for amigurumi, the different types of stitches, and so much more. So join me below as we explore 8 modules, and when you're done, you also get a pack of free crochet patterns where you will be able to read those and follow along and create your own creations.